All right, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Okay, so in top-level constant macros, glass panel types, we've added some tags to find the section easier, and then an arc girl shader strings and shader source number 8, which is our bombs for Josh shader inside of injected tile graphics. Here is the injection site for our new glass panel lookup table. Okay, down in data by system within the A-bomb 8 system, which is the bombs for Josh shader art section. All the way down here beneath the Alto designs, we now have the stained glass panel frames design. This is a void panel design. We should never ever fucking see it because it represents SOB void, okay? And then this is type 1 panel, and it's going to be the glass panel, the see-through panel. And then this is the type 2. This is going to be our rock panel with a thicker frame. And then all the way down here, this is our destroyed graphics. So SOB 3 is for SOB kill. Then over here, we have some explanation of what SOB void, SOB C, SOB rock, and SOB killed stand for right here. Then for self-documentation purposes, we are going to alias SOB 1 through 3 to SOB void, see-through, rock, and kill, right? This is just self-documentation. I may never actually use these right here. Okay, then down in the my fucking fingers hurt section, if you go all the way fucking down here, we have the uncompressed graphics lookup table, the A81s. For the SOB graphics, the stained on bombs graphics, 0 through 3, right? 4 elements. And this is a lookup table that takes GP4, glass panel type, of which there are 4, converted to the A81 SOBO graphics, right? The A81 stained on bomb graphics. Then down here in the compressed lookup tables, we have the compressed version of this lookup table right here. So instead of A81 for array 81, it's U81 for uint 81, which is kind of a joke. For each one of our graphics, which there are 4 of, we need 3 uint32s to encode it. So that's why we have 4 times 3 here. Notice that this lookup table has a different number of elements than all these other lookup tables, and that's going to fuck us over right down here. We're fucked over here because we cannot use this function to pre-process the new lookup table and initialize it. So we're going to have to revisit this section. We're going to have to revisit this section later. Okay, down here in arc-girl shader source function raw to the pre-process. Raw shader to pre-process shader. If we go all the way down here, we need to, within our lookup table of arrays, add the new lookup table, and then in the lookup table of names, we need to say, oh, in the GPU, this is what we're going to refer to it as. A lookup table of tokens, this is our injection site token for this new lookup table. Increase the max index to 35 from its previous of 34, and then I think we're fucking out of here. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Koda, we're out of time.